show you how you can connect Google Form, um, Notion using mail.com integration platform. Well, it's a short, easy form. It has three fields: name, email, and message. I'm gonna do quickly. Okay, this is the gonna copy. Then I'm gonna provide the, the text. The form is ready. Okay. Next, I'm going to the Notion. I'm gonna to create a web page. Okay. The page name. Okay. I'm going to create a database here. Okay. Database as and then I'm going to bring the table. Okay. That is add name. I'm going to add another one. Email. And the last one is message. Okay. Um, associate the data type as and okay, done. Well, let's continue to make. Okay, I'm going to create an scenario. Okay, I'm going to select Google Form, going to watch responses. I'm going to make the connection. But after that, I'm gonna to URL and I will associate with the for ID. Search button. Okay. Okay. I'm going to start from now out and I will test my phone. Press play. Okay. The first record. Okay. I'm gonna check integration working. Scans. Scans. Well, it's working. Next, I will connect with Notion. I will, the best option, create a new item in a database because it means when a form or a record is inserted from Google Form is going to be inserted in Notion database. Then I will connect Notion connection, a standard name. Page, private page. Okay, After that, I will select what is the IT database. Database I can get it. Okay, I can use this example that what is the database, and then for this, then I'm going to connect with the directory tree from Google Form and the name, value name, method, and okay. So now I'm going to send another form. Okay, Mary, Mary at com, from Mary, and I will run the integration. You see, you can see. Okay, can run another more test example. John, and and I run again, and you can see. Okay, work. So that's the then I want to show you about how to create Google Form with Notion through mail.com.